Hello dear friends, with this video from the playlist How to Master YouTube Skills. The link is mentioned below. In this video, we'll explain how to share short clips from your videos or from the videos of others, where you can share them on various social media networks or social media platforms like Facebook, like Twitter, WhatsApp, and so on. We must differentiate between publishing a short clip of a long video of more than a minute and creating short videos that don't exceed a minute in total and are captured by the mobile in a vertical position. So, the idea is to cut a small video clip from your video or from the videos of others and share them on social media platforms. And this will raise the level of watching videos, as when watching the clip from the social media like Facebook, for example, the view will be counted from YouTube, not from Facebook. As we mentioned, you can do this with your videos or with the videos of other channels. Choose the video like this. You can see this tool, clip. You have to know that the length of the video should be between 5 seconds and a minute. Not less than 5 seconds or not more a minute, 60 seconds. Now click clip.
Not always. And this class actually involves a lot
I
of
can pause
proofs,
the video.
and I'll show.
So, go to the right side to choose the length of the video. Now, if I see the default length of the video will be 15 seconds and I want to increase this number by stopping here, click and drag. Drag like this. Okay, this is 60 seconds, the maximum length of the video clip.
So you can see how it's all the basics, the syntax, and just making your program
I can decrease the
every
length of
line,
the
as you can
video.
see here. You'll learn how to do loops for
Like this. Now it became 53 seconds. Add a description required. Description to the video clip or a title to the video clip. I can type test. Okay. Now it's ready to be shareable. Click share clip. As I see, after clicking share clip, you can find WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, email, and all social media platforms. You can share this clip with one of them, like Facebook, for example. Click Facebook. Now it will open Facebook and sign in to log into Facebook. To share the video clip, click post on Facebook. Okay, I can close this. Now go to Facebook to see the video clip. This is a video clip published on Facebook. I can see 53 seconds clipped by Learn a Computer. Learn a Computer is my channel. Original video. What is computer? I can see the clip. Now click. This is a video clip on YouTube. I can see it on YouTube, and the length of the video is 53 seconds only.
This is probably what you're expecting. So you'll learn the command to write something to the screen.
If I wanted to see the entire video, click watch full video. If I click watch full video, I can see the entire video. So The video clip will be as an advertisement to the entire video or as a hint to the entire video, and this will raise the number of viewers to the video. The question now is, can all videos be cut and shared in this way? In fact, there are three types of videos can't be shared or can't be cut, as the scissors mark will disappear under them. First type, the videos that are meant for kids. The second type are videos that are published as the first show, but after the first show, the scissors mark will appear. The third type are videos that exceed 8 hours. If you want to make sure that there is a feature to cut videos on your channel and that the scissors mark appears, go to your channel and from the channel photo, click then YouTube Studio, then click Settings, then Channel, then click Advanced Settings tab, then scroll down. Now you see under Clips, allow viewers to clip my content. You have to tick this mark. If it's not ticked, you have to tick it. And if you wanted to cancel this feature, you can cancel it like this and then save. But it's better to leave it. Now I've come to the end of the video and I wish you to be satisfied with the content. And if you want to see more videos, browse the playlist titled How to Master YouTube Skills. The link is mentioned under the video. I'm waiting for your questions and inquiries and it will be appreciated. And I'll answer them immediately. Goodbye and have a nice time. And see you in the future video. Goodbye.